What's up, Umbares? Hey, we're here at a brand new project close to Palma Sola. And check it out, guys. So this is our exciting pool, and the homeowner actually just left, took off to work, and he was jokingly saying, hey, I'd like to go ahead and get this thing swimming by July 4th. Today is June 23rd. June 23rd, guys. And in my mind, I'm thinking, swimming by July 4th, that's an easy task. Look, guys, we're here excavating right now, hauling the dirt out of here. This is called a shuttle dig, okay? We have the skid steer coming back here, picking everything up, putting it into the dump truck. We're gonna haul all this away. By the end of the day today, guys, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you a whole nother video of what the production is gonna be with Umbare Pools. You're gonna see a major difference between us and everyone else. By the end of the day today, we're gonna have a hole in the ground, steel, and gunite. Inspectors will be here shortly at 12 to 2, and we're gonna get this thing done today. We're gonna show you who we are. Let's go, Umbares! What's up, Umbares? Today is still day one on our new job near Palma Sola. Check it out, Friday, the 23rd, not even 5 p.m., okay? Not even 5 p.m. Here we are, we're doing the gunite. At Umbare, we're in a different reality than anybody else. I haven't seen this done, okay? One day we dig the pool, inspections, had the steel, and we were doing the gunite. Not even before 5 p.m. Okay, this is how we do it at Umbare Pools. Don't even mess around with anyone else. Why wait? If you want to have excitement and get launched into the stratosphere, call Umbare Pools, let's go! What's up, Umbares? Hey, still day one. We're in Palma Sola, guys. Check it out, Friday the 23rd. One day, guys, one day. We have a pool in the ground, guys. One day, we have a pool in the ground. A custom gunite pool is built in one day, guys. We dug this pool, we did the rebar, we got it inspected, and we shot the gunite. Listen, when you have the resources, the efficiency, and the guys and the great team that's ready to go to work, these are the results, okay? Go around and ask all these other companies and ask all the other friends, people who've built pools, and ask them what the time frame was. I don't think anybody's gonna tell you one day they were standing in their pool. I'm standing in the pool, guys, okay? Day one. We started this morning at 8 o'clock. Now, call it 12 hours, and I'm standing in a custom Gunite concrete pool. UmbarePools.com, guys, come check us out.